Hi everyone, my name is Jess and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today, guys. And for today's project, I'm going to be making something very easy. It is going to be using Dollar Tree items, and this project turned out amazing. And I really hope that you like and enjoy and have fun in today's video. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. And make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. And remember to follow me on all my social media pages and my new webpage, Jazomy.com. All the links are going to be in the description box. And let's get started with today's project. Okay guys, so for today's project, I will be using this Dollar Tree sign. It is from Valentine's Day, but I know that Dollar Tree brings this same sign shape for different seasons. And the first thing I did was to remove the bow, the tag, and then all the glitter that this sign has with my sanding sponge. After removing all the glitter, I'm going to be cleaning all my work area with my mini ladybug vacuum that I love and works amazing. So in the description box of this video, you can find the link of this product. From there, I give it one coat of spray paint in metallic copper color, and then I let it dry very well. From there, you can use, guys, Dollar Tree stickers or maybe a stencil. I'm going to be using my CRICUT, and I made this decal that says "Welcome to our home" in black vinyl, and I stick it on my sign. I'm going to be leaving you the SVG file of this decal in the description box of this video, just in case that you want to use it. Guys, I know that this decal doesn't have the letter O, but that's because I will be doing something different and fun for that space. At the top of the sign, on the edges, I'm going to be adding something just to give it a nicer look. I decided to stick this super thin black tape. It is from Amazon. In the description box of this video, you can find the link of this product. From there, I really want to highlight the hole that this tag sign has. I think it needs something a little bit bigger, so I'm going to be using one of these cedar rings that I got in clearance in Walmart. And what I did was to paint this piece in black with my Waverly chalk paint. And once it was dry, I decided to sand the edges just to give it a distressed look. From there, what I did was to glue this cedar ring with hot glue on my sign, and I really love how it looks because I think it's the perfect size for this sign. So now what I did was to stick this piece of rope. You can use nautical rope from Dollar Tree if you want, and I'm going to glue one end inside of the small hole that this cedar ring had, and then the other end of the rope on the back side of this sign with hot glue. In the space of the sign where the letter O must appear, I'm going to be placing a small nail just to hang different decor pieces. Okay, I'm going to be doing the first decor piece, and what I'm going to be using is this Dollar Tree wire, and I'm going to be placing these beads that I bought from Amazon. They are like wood beads, and the package brings 300 in 2 different sizes for a very good price, so you can also find the link of these wooden beads in the description box of this video. I made a small ring, and then I decorated a little bit by gluing 2 leaves on the top and then a small bow that I made with jute cord. I'm going to be making a few options just to be able to place in my sign, and the second option is going to be using this Dollar Tree wooden pumpkin. And the first thing I did was to paint it in white color using my Waverly chalk paint. Once the paint is dry, I decide to put this decal on it. I made it using my CRICUT, and it is like a vintage tile, and I just love it. You can also do this project using an image from the internet and just print it. I stick this decal on my pumpkin, and then I cut all the edges just to make the pumpkin shape. Guys, I really love the pattern this pumpkin has, and I really want to add some texture. So I glue a small bow that I made with my jute cord. Okay, the pumpkin is ready, so I decide to make another option to add to my sign, and I use this wooden fall leaf from Dollar Tree and I paint it. You can use the color you want and that match with your home decor. I decide to make it quite neutral. I'm going to be painting my leaf with green and then just give it details in brown and a little bit of white to give it more dimension. Once the paint dries, this is how my leaf is going to be looking, and these are all the options that I made for the letter O for my sign. I made the leaf, the pumpkin, and then the beads wreath that you can use for any season, and you can hang each piece on the nail that your sign is going to have. Guys, you can make many more options like a Christmas tree, a snowflake, a flower for spring, and you can reuse and change your sign for different seasons, and you can paint these any color that you want and it will look amazing. I really love how these projects turn out, and I really hope that you like it and that helps you and inspires you to be creative. And if you like it, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages and my new webpage, jazomy.com. Love you so much, and see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye.